Ooh.
Oh, you did good for a first timer.
Oh my god, I feel like I've just died. I hope Jesus is gonna see me soon.
How you feel?
I don't know, I have to see what I find out.
You said what?
That was good.
Yeah. Relax your shoulders. Ooh, that was good too. There we go. All right, how you feel?
Oh, it's so much better.
Better?
Like my back. Yeah, I could
Better
definitely
range of
twist
motion?
now. Yeah, so much better.
Good.
I first came here and I couldn't even move my neck.
Mm-hmm.
And now my neck is touching my shoulders.
Yeah. And where you from?
From London.
London.
Yeah.
All the way in Atlanta.
Yeah, all the way to Atlanta.
See you next time.
Amazing, doctor. Thank you.
Thank you.